Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to be combining chicken and mutton to make biryani. The combination of both these flavors makes the biryani very rich and flavorful. Let's start cooking. Into a pressure cooker I have added 750 grams of mutton. In this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, some salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all of this well. Add a cup of water. Mix well. Half cook the meat. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or keep for 5 to 6 whistles. Now let's check the meat. Meat is half cooked, keep it aside. Take a heavy bottomed pan. I have added 7 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I have taken 15 pieces of cashew nuts. Fry them until golden brown. This is to garnish, keep it aside. This is 1 onion finely sliced. Fry until brown. Keep it aside. In the same oil, add 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 cardamoms, 8 cloves, 2 star anise, a few stone flower, 2 bay leaves. Add 3 sliced onion. Saute till it turns brown. Add 7 green chilies. Fry the onions brown so that your biryani will taste really good. Onions are getting brown. Let's add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry till the raw aroma goes away. Add 2 sliced tomatoes. Fry it for a while. Mint leaves, half bunch or 1 handful, and coriander leaves, a handful. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of curd, also called yogurt. Combine all the ingredients and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add boiled mutton which we cooked earlier. This is 750 grams of chicken. Combine all the ingredients. In this, add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and some salt. Give it a nice mix. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the chicken is half done. Now time to add water to the gravy. I have taken 3 cups of rice. that is 750 grams of rice. For that I have to add 6 cups of water. The ratio is 1:2. Before adding water, check the gravy in the pan. Here I have 1.5 cups of gravy. So detect 1.5 cups. I have to add 4.5 cups of water. First add the mutton stock, 1. Two, this is the second cup. 3, 4 and a half. In this stage, check for some salt. Give it a nice mix. Mix well. Water has come to a nice boil. In this stage, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This is 3 cups of rice. I did not soak it, I just washed. Combine all this well. Cover the pan and bring it to a boil. Place a thick bottom pan or a tawa on a stove. After adding rice, when it starts to boil, take out the lid, cover it with tin foil. Secure it so that the steam doesn't escape. Cover it with a lid, bring the flame to medium to low heat and leave it for 20 minutes. Rice will take 20 minutes to cook. Secure it all around. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check the rice. Smells so good. Rice is cooked well and it's perfect. Let's make onion vinegar salad. For that, in a bowl, add 1 onion finely sliced, 1 tomato finely sliced, two green chilies, some coriander leaves, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of white vinegar and some salt to taste. Mix well. It's a very good combination for biryani. Just give it a try. Turn off the flame. Do not serve immediately. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Ta-da! Our biryani is ready. Serve it hot with boiled eggs. Sprinkle some fried onions and cashew nuts, which we fried earlier, and with some coriander leaves. Do try this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.